Hello guys, as I promised I will continue my Android game made with Unity called Rotado, and now I completed the second level. Here it is. It is a click to move game. You have 20 seconds to complete a level. This means you have to solve a puzzle in this time and then reach the green cube. Okay, now I enabled a timer, then reach this lever and the painting rotates. Okay. But what is the idea? I have to reach the cube, perhaps by climbing onto this armchair, which doesn't work. So let's try again. Okay, I'll pull it again. One more time. And each time the painting rotates. And now something happens. Alright, now I can reach the armchair. And then the green cube and the room is completed. Great, now let's see how I implemented this. So this is the timer game object. I already explained this in a previous part. You have a public property called seconds that defines how long this timer is running. Okay, now let's go to this lever. It will rotate the painting and it has to be done 3 times before the armchair is moving forward. So let's have a look at the script in Visual Studio, which is called picture trigger. Perhaps painting trigger or painting controller or something like that would be the better name, but I will refactor this later on. So let's see, we have 2 public variables, 2 game objects. One is the picture and the other one is the timer, and in onTriggerEnter I check if this timer is running, and only in this case I rotate the picture. This is another script called picture with the method rotate. In this method I check how many times the picture has been rotated already. For the rotation I use the method rotateBy of the library iTween, which is free, and I play the rotation sound. The object is rotated by a quarter, which is 0.25. This is 90 degrees. For each rotation I increase the mState variable by 1. This is the number of rotations we already made. And if it is equal to mCount, which is set to 3 by default, I call the open method of the armchair, which is again a new script. So you can see many objects have to know other objects so that these can interact. Okay, now let's see what happens in this open method of the armchair. The armchair is a model we created with Blender, and it is a skeletal mesh with 2 animations. The first one is this move and transform, where the chair is kind of opened. Here you can see the preview. And in the second one, the backrest is pushing upwards. And here's the script for the armchair with the open method. The open state is played, which refers to the move and transform animation, and the clip of the audio source is set to the move chair audio clip. The armchair is an obstacle for the nav mesh, but in the open method it is disabled. So the player can reach this armchair now, and onTrigger is called when the player enters the trigger of the armchair. Then the level is completed, the chair will play the push-up animation, the player is pushed up into the green cube, and the room is completed. Then I disable the countdown, the nav mesh agent. I rotate the player towards the green cube and move it into this object. Okay, let's play it one more time, just for fun. Okay guys, my plan is to create 5 levels for the alpha version and then deploy it to the Google Play Store. Of course I will create tutorials about this, how to build the game, how to deploy. I think this will be interesting for you. So if you like this video and my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to support me and my development, think about being my patron. This would really help this channel grow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.